Processing. Says out, Soul Provider, pass to begin, Dana inside Luna Rosa, moving up in the middle, Princess Yana, alongside Sun King, caught in the act while Don Vito is racing in 6, as they lead the straight, Soul Provider just in front by a length and a half, followed closely by Luna Rosa in second, alongside third comes Princess Yana. Sun King is racing in fourth, caught in the act in fifth, and Don Vito still running in last. As they swing down the back, Luna Rosa now takes the lead by a length. Soul Provider drives back in second, and here comes Princess Yana, now coming closer in third. Caught in the act, remains in fourth, then followed by Don Vito and Sun King. We've got Luna Rosa, followed now by Princess Yana on the outside. Soul Provider is racing by the rail, but it's still Luna Rosa, this time by about 3 lengths. Soul Provider still in second, and on the outside Princess Yana. As they come down the last 200, we have Luna Rosa by about 5 lengths now, and in second still Soul Provider. Princess Yana is on the outside, moving up by the car in the act. Last 75 meters, it's all Luna Rosa. And finally Luna Rosa, car in the act, Princess Yana, Soul Provider, Don Vito, and Sun King.